Hi everyone, welcome back once again to this complete API development course. So in the last video we have learned about the package.json file, about the informations, and we have also installed nodemon. So if you haven't watched that, I'll must tell you to go with that, because if you haven't have the understanding of what we have done in the previous section, then all these things will make magic to you. Okay, so make sure you follow that video and then continue with this video, or if you already know about these things, then you can continue right from here. So we have successfully console log out this text. So now we'll start writing some code into our applications, and before we do that, let's install one more package, which is the most important package. So again, I will come to my second terminal and I will clear my terminal, and this time the package I want to install is Express, and Express is powerful. So npm, again you can type IE or you can type install, both will work. So I'll type express Express and I will hit tab. So here the Express is installing. Just give a second. So it's successfully installed. Here you can able to see all the packages, and now you can come back to the package.json file, and here you can see. And the reason why I have installed as a dependency, because without Express our API will not work. So it's in the dependency folder, not in the folder, in the object. Okay, so let's come back here, and we have installed the Express now. So to use this Express, I need to require into my app.js. So this is how I can require, call the Express into my app.js. So I'll say const, I'll give the name express, and I have to use the keyword require, QUIR, require bracket, and make sure you use this double quote, or you can use single quote, both is up to you. And here I have to type Express, and as you can see, Visual Code Studio is very smart. Whatever package you will install, it will automatically give you auto suggestion, so you can pick it from there. So we have installed the Express, which is coming from Express package, and I want to install one more module, which is FS module, from reading the document. So as you can see in my data folder, I have this data, this sample data and this product data. So for the time being, we're going to work with the sample data. So for that, so for reading this document, we need a FS module, which is coming from this modules. Okay, this module. So we don't need to think about it, we have to simply use that. So let's cut this one, and the same way I have to type const and I have to type fs. You can give whatever name you want to this part, but required is important. You have to provide required, and then you have to type fs module. So we have these two modules in our project. So now what I can do, so now let's create a variable by the name app, and this will contain all the information, all the power of Express, which we can use it. Okay, you can give whatever name you want, but I would like to call it app. Okay, because this is a very general convention in software development. So I'll say here, and here I will call the Express. That's it. Okay, now let's create a server. So I'll say first let's create a port. So I'll say const port, and I want to create on a 3000. You can pick any number, 1000, 2000, but I would go with 3000. And let's create a server app listen, and here you have to provide the port name. In this I'll need a callback function, which is an arrow function, and in this I want to console log out something. So what I want to console log out is, I'll say console.log, and here I will use template literal, which is absolutely. So after Ecommerce 6, JavaScript becomes very powerful. You can do a lot of things and very easy way. So I'll say app running running, so let me write the running running on port let's say port 3000. So everything's working fine. Now you can see the moment I will save, you will have the console logout that the app is running on port 3000. So let me save it, and here you can see app is running on port 3000. So we have successfully created our server, and that's became possible because of this Express. Okay, so let me explain what this port mean here. So let's come back to my browser, and every computer has a directory path. So start with something like, so it starts something like this, 127.0.0, 0.1. So this is your entire internal server of your computer. Here you can provide whatever value you want. So we have provided in our application 3000. So we can easily able to see if we want to console log out something in the browser, we can see that. So right now we are on 800 and this is 300. Okay, if I do this, nothing is happening here, but if we see in our console log, we might get something. Okay, yeah, because I'm not logging out anything. So this is the home directory path of your computer, so don't need to worry about this much because we'll come back to the later. So generally this is the root directory of your computer, and this value you can choose as a port. It's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. Okay, so let's come back here once again. So here I am back, and we can successfully console logout in our terminal. So we have created our internal server, we have assigned the port. Now let's create some post methods, and that we will do in our next video. Okay.